Hi, this is Tony with BesideTheFrontDoor.com, here to talk about kids and gardening. Kids are great to get involved with gardening. They love to get in the dirt and get dirty. And right now is a great age where they like to be helpful. So you can go ahead and get them going. You can show them which ones are the weeds and which one are the plants that you want. They can help you gently harvest things that then they're going to eat, and they really appreciate that. Their food more, and it's one way to get them to eat their vegetables is if they're helping to harvest those vegetables, they are really much more likely to go ahead and eat those vegetables. Now, some things that you can get the kids that really get their enthusiasm going about gardening after, of course, they see you gardening and they want to join in anyway. But if you're wearing gardening gloves, get them a set of gardening gloves. They have gloves of all sizes for those small hands all the way up to the medium-sized hands for the kids, so that they can protect their hands and they can feel like mom or dad when you're helping in the garden. Also, there are several lightweight trowels which are sturdy. They don't have to be pink or blue or some child color. If your kids like that, go ahead and get it. But there's no reason to not get more of just an inexpensive adult type tool so that they feel like they are real gardeners right with you. Also, they make small size shovels and small size hoes and rakes, which again are perfect for their size, so they can actually help feel like they're helping and have a handle on things and not get overwhelmed. Now, when you first start out, pro tip from a mom is you'd never ask them to do more than a couple minutes at a time. They can join in when you're doing the same project, and don't put them in a section that is super important to you, because it's not going to be perfect the first time, and that's okay. It may start out that they help for 2 minutes and lose interest and wander off. It may then grow into 5 and then into 10 and then into 20 and more as time goes on. Don't make it a chore, make it fun. Stop before they get bored. The one thing that you do remember is they help come gather their tools to get started. Before they lose interest, keep an eye on them and have them put away their tools before they finish up, so it's not a chore. Again, kids in the garden is great fun, and a great way where they can help you. If you found this helpful, please click like and subscribe, and please leave your comments below so that you can tell me what you want to see more videos of. Thank you.